Welcome back, students. Let's start with different kinds of nouns today. And today we are going to see about countable nouns, uncountable nouns, and compound nouns. Countable nouns. There are nouns which you can count individually. They have both singular and plural forms. So the characteristics of these nouns are they can be used with numbers, that is, you can count them, saying 1, 2, 3. So the examples here that we're going to quote is 1 apple, 2 apples, and they can be made plurals too. So book becomes books, car becomes cars, and they use articles like a and an. So the examples of countable nouns are chair, pen, bottle, phones, and also people and animal like child, teacher, dog, elephant, and also you have units of time and measurements like hour, kilometer, dollar. And here is the usage. I brought 3 apples. She is reading a book. There are many students in the class. Now, uncountable nouns. So, uncountable nouns are things that cannot be counted individually. They are usually mass, abstract, or collective concepts. So, they don't have any plural forms. You cannot use a and an, and they come with quantifiers like some, much, a lot of, because you can't use one or two. So, when you have to speak about them, you use some or much, like water. You can't say 1 water, 2 water. So you generally say, can I have some water? Examples are water, milk, rice, sugar. Or you have abstract ideas like love, happiness, information, advice, or collective categories like furniture, luggage, equipment. So when you say chair, that becomes a countable noun because you can count the chairs. But when you say furniture, it is together, like furniture is tables, chair, everything together. So there you can't use one, two, three. So you always use other quantifiers. The usage in sentences. She gave me some advice. So here you're using advice and you use some advice. We need more information. There isn't much sugar left. Some nouns can be both countable and uncountable depending on the context. Like, hair is uncountable when you say she has a long hair. And it becomes countable when you say I found a hair in my soup. Second example is paper. It is uncountable when you say I need some paper to write. And it becomes countable when you say I read 3 papers today. Next kind of noun that we are going to look at today is a compound noun. A compound noun is made of 2 or more words that function together as a single noun. So these combinations often describe a person, place, thing, or idea. How are they formed? Compound nouns can be made from different combinations, like a noun and noun. So foot is a noun, ball is a noun, and together they form football. Adjective plus noun. So black is the adjective, board is a noun. So together it forms blackboard. Then you have verb plus noun. So washing is a verb, machine is a noun. So it becomes washing machine. Then you have noun plus verb. So that is hair plus cut. Then preposition plus noun. So under is preposition, world is noun. So it becomes underworld. There are various types of compound nouns. One is closed form, where here you have words that are joined without space, like tooth plus paste becomes toothpaste with no space in between. Then hyphenated. words that are connected with hyphens like check and in. So it's connected by a hyphen in between. Then you have open form where words are written separately but act as one. So like full moon, where there's a space between full and moon. Thank you for joining this class. If you have any queries, you can email us on our email ID. Meet you in the next video.